Today we're checking out Land of the Giants Hosta Farm. A great plant for a shade garden. Look at the size of that leaf. Sadly, morels are finished. Let's see what they've got. Oh, cool. This is gorgeous. These are huge. Oh my word. Here I am today at Land of the Giants, a 4-acre hosta farm. Hostas are a wonderful shade plant, and they bloom in spikes that attract hummingbirds. And since morels are finished, I need something to do, so I'm fixing up my front yard with some of these amazing plants. This Land of the Giants nursery is only open certain weekends, so check online and come out on the weekends. I think it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They sell online as well. I'm excited to see all the plants here. Milton, Wisconsin. Kind of an interesting drive too, off the beaten path. He likes morels like I do. Booyah. Yeah, this place is out of this world. I'm told the stuff to buy is on the tables right here. So I'm about to take a look and see if my pocketbook catches on fire. Yellow leaves, it has the red petioles, which I really like. I think these are those little tiny mouse ear ones that go in the front of your garden.
I thought you were talking to the plant.
Okay, I never seen a blue curly before, and this one's even blooming already. That's crazy. This is cute. Cosmic Grasshopper. I love their name. Maui Buttercup. We're still looking. Oh, more with the red petioles to tempt me. Tempt me. Sorbet. So, some of these funny mouse plants are like these. You have to have them. There's a Bigfoot here. Watch out. She's so pretty in here. Wow. These hostas can get huge.
These hostas can get huge.
Let's see what else.
Let's see what else.